Designed as the first in a series of videos sponsored by Gamecock Headquarters in the College of Education, this video will help you navigate the next steps following admission to your graduate program. If, at any time, you have questions about this process, please contact the Gamecock Headquarters office at 803-777-6732 or coestudy@mailbox.sc.edu. I've been admitted to the graduate school. What should I do next? Completion of required forms, accessing information related to U of SC processes, setting up your password, and registering for classes are important next steps. We'll start with some required forms. Access the following web address. This page houses important information for graduate students. We'll focus now on the Admitted Students tab at the top of the page. When you click on the Admitted Students tab, you can access the following web address. Our focus now will be on the Getting Started section under the New Students heading on the left column. When you click the Getting Started link, you will begin the process that will lead to your registration. When you select Immunizations, you can access sc.edu/myhealthspace using your network username and password. Everyone, even students in fully online programs, must complete immunization information. On-campus students enter their immunizations in the medical clearances portion of MyHealthSpace. Students in fully online programs complete the Distance Learner Exemption form each term unless they upload their immunization record. The Distance Learner Exemption form is found under the Downloadable Forms link in MyHealthSpace. When you select Citizenship and Residency, you have access to the forms required to show your citizenship. If you are an SC legal resident, you should complete the SC legal residency form to receive the in-state tuition rate. More information about the citizenship process can be found here. Please note, if you are not a U.S. citizen, you should contact International Student Services. Either paying for health insurance or a waiver of health insurance due to coverage in a comparable health plan is required for all students enrolled in 6 or more credit hours. You can view the information here. Note the link to the Student Health Services webpage. Completion and filing of the immunization, citizenship and residency, and health insurance purchase or waiver forms are required before course registration. Congratulations on completing the first step in becoming a graduate student in the College of Education at the University of South Carolina. If you have any questions about how to accomplish any of the items mentioned in this video, please contact the Gamecock Headquarters office at 803-777-6732 or coestudy@mailbox.sc.edu.